हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे होंगे। तो फिर से आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टीजीटी एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चंस, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे 100। तो इनकी भी तैयारी आप करते चलें, क्योंकि टीजीटी और पीजीटी के एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म आ चुके हैं जो कि फिल किए जा रहे हैं, और एग्जाम डेट भी जल्द ही आ जाएगी। तो आप इसकी तैयारी कंटिन्यू करें टाइम निकाल कर। हाँ, अगर आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल से नहीं जुड़े हैं तो उससे भी ऐड हो जाएं, क्योंकि उस पर आपको फिजिकल एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड काफी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियां समय समय पर मिलती रहेंगी। चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस करें, ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाला वीडियोस भी आपको मिल सके। बिना कोई देरी किए हुए हम लोग चलते हैं ट्विन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज नोन एज द मैजिशियन ऑफ हॉकी? आंसर इज मेजर ध्यानचंद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द टर्म 16 यार्ड हिट इज रिलेटेड टू विच स्पोर्ट्स? आंसर इज hockey. Whose slogan was come out and play? Answer, Commonwealth Games 2010. Anjali Bhagwat is related to which sports? Answer, rifle shooting. Where is the headquarter of International Olympic Committee located? Answer, Lausanne, Switzerland. Which country hosts the Ajlan Shah hockey tournament? Answer is Malaysia. Where is Apps Stadium for horse racing located? In England. America's Cup is related to which sports? Basketball. Alka Tomar is associated with which sporting event? Answer is based on wrestling, means wrestling से आधारित. Who is known as the father of modern Olympic Games? Pierre de Coubertin. In which year did the modern Olympic Games start? 1896 AD. Who started the modern Olympic Games? Pierre de Coubertin. With which sport is word iron associated? Golf. Asfa Powell is related to which sporting event? Athletics 100-meter run. When did the International Volleyball Association comes into existence? On 1st April 1947. Indira Gandhi Cup is related to which sports? Boxing. The word in off is related to which sport? From billiard. Iveta Benasova is a famous tennis player from which country? Czech Republic. Irani Trophy is related to which sports? From cricket. Udham Singh was associated with which sports? Hockey. Who is the author of A Sword of History? Abhinav Bindra. Who named the Asian Games? Jawaharlal Nehru. The word S is related to which sports? Lawn tennis. When was the first entry of Indian hockey in Olympics? In 1920. Who is the author of the motto of the Olympics? Father Didon. Who is the first Indian to win silver medal in individual event of Olympics? Mr. Rajvardhan Singh Rathore. In which year are the Olympic Games held? At the interval of 4 years, after 4 years. When was the last time India won the hockey gold medal in the Olympic Games? In 1980 AD. When did the Olympic Games start? 776 BC. How many lines are there in swimming pool in the Olympic Games? Answer is A. With the material is the Olympic torch light, sun rays. Where is the Olympic Museum located? Lausanne, Switzerland. The word Olympic is derived from Olympus. What is Olympus? A mountain of Greece. Oval Stadium is associated with which sports? Answer is cricket. Kabaddi is the national sport of which country? Bangladesh. Cara Black is the famous tennis player of which country? Zimbabwe. In which race is the King's Cup awarded? Answer is in aircraft race. In which Olympic sport was the Olympic motto adopted for the first time? In 1920 Antwerp Olympic. The mode of starting of which game is called gambit? Answer is chess. Which country has topped the Asian Games event for the most number of times? China. Which magazine is called the Bible of Cricket? Wisden. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sport Day? On the birthday of Major Dhyanchand, 29 of August. Who is the first Indian athlete to win a medal in any World Championship? Anju Bobby George. Who is known as the Vasa of pole vault? Sergei Babuka. Katerina Srebotnik is the famous tennis player of which country? Of Slovakia. Who has been awarded the Arjun Award for the first time for carom? Antonio Maria Rupayam. Colin Cowday was the famous cricketer of which country? England. Which award is called Oscar of Cricket? ICC Award. Which hockey player was known as Dada? Major Dhyanchand. The word skew is related to which sports? Billiard. Which sports ground is called Mecca of Cricket? Lords. Lords is in London, England. Which country is known as the father of cricket? England. In which country is the famous venue of cricket game? Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. What is the length of cricket pitch? 21.12 meter. Where is the Premdasa Stadium related to cricket located? Colombo, Sri Lanka. Cristiano Ronaldo is the football player of which country? Answer is Argentina. Which Indian player is known by the name Guga? Geet Sethi. Goal is the autobiography of which player? Major Dhyanchand. Golden Girl is the autobiography of which Indian sports person? P.T. Usha. What is golf field called? Course. What is the diameter of golf hole? 4.50 inches. The term ground stroke is related to which sport? Table tennis. Which cricket umpire is popularly known as Great Delay? Dickie Ward. The word chakar is related to which sports? From polo. Who is the author of the Look Chamatkari Sachin? Lokesh Thani. China Cup is related to which sport? Gymnastics. Chiranjeevi Milkha Singh is associated with which sports? Golf. What is the national sports of China? Table tennis. The word checkmate is related to which sports? Chess. With which game the word chess, Fragile and pawn are related? By Kho. Justin Henin Harden belongs to which country? From Belgium. On what basis marks are given in gymnastics? John McEnroe of travel, innovation, decency and confident speed. Chosan Chinappa is associated with which sports? From squash. Tiger Woods is a golfer. From which country? USA. Which hockey player has created the award named To Hell with Hockey? Answer is Aslam Sher Khan. 76. Which event of tennis are called Grand Slam event? Answer is Australia Open, French Open, Wimbledon. Tennis was included in the Asian Games in which year? 1958, Tokyo. What does love means in tennis? Score is 0. Where was table tennis first played? In London, 1880. Who is the third bowler in the world to take 600 wickets in Test cricket? Anil Kumble. The word dick pass is related to which sport? Volleyball. Diego Maradona is associated with which sport? Football. D.V. Devdhar was associated with which sport? Cricket. Donald Bradman was a great player of which sport? Cricket. The word duke is related to which sport? Lawn tennis and US Open. Thomas Cup is related to which sports? Badminton. Where was the second Afro-Asian Games held? In Algiers. What is the term knockout related? Boxing. Naidu Trophy is related to which sport? Chess. How many players are in a side in netball? 7. NetWest Trophy is related to which sport? From cricket. Where is Netaji Subhash Chandra National Institute of Sports located? In Patiala. Aparna Popat, the first female badminton player, won which title? French Open of Badminton. Pragat Singh was a famous Indian player of which sports? Hockey. Parimarjan Negi had excelled in which sports? Chess. In which year and where was basketball first played? In 1891 AD in USA. Who holds the record of winning most medals in Olympic Games? Michael Phelps from American swimmer. Usain Bolt from Jamaica is related to which sports? Athletics. Race. Lionel Messi is the football player from which country? Argentina. Sachin Tendulkar holds the world records of how many runs, centuries and half centuries of ODI in ODI cricket? 18,426 run, 49 सेंचुरीज एंड 96 हाफ सेंचुरीज। तो यहाँ पर ये आपके 100 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज होती है पूरी। उम्मीद करता हूँ इसकी तैयारी आप करते रहें, इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन आपको मिल सकते हैं। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।